Have you been separated from the rest of your party when checking in on a flight? Want to avoid that in the future? Stay tuned. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and every Tuesday we dive into a helpful and practical tip so you can save time, money, and headaches. Make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, so today's mishap moment. My husband and I tend to purchase basic economy, and because of that, we are not able to choose our seats unless you pay extra prior to check-in. And some airlines, you don't get to choose them at all. We were going to the Bahamas, and we checked in and realized that our seats were in completely opposite ends of the plane. We tried to get them changed when we got up to the gate, and it absolutely was a no-go. It was a bummer because this was, a vacation for us. We're excited. We want to sit next to each other, talk to each other, everything like that. And instead, we were in completely different ends of the plane. So we ended up texting back and forth the entire flight until we got there. Not the way you really want to travel when you're going on a vacation, and especially if you have a family, you really want to stick together, right? So my travel tip for today is make sure that if you are booking basic economy especially, that you check in as soon, the very minute, that it's 24 hours before your flight, because you have the greatest chance of having your seats together when you do that. If you wait even 5-10 minutes, you're likely not going to have seats together. Now, sometimes you'll get lucky when you get to the gate. The gate agents will be able to move you around so you can sit together, but not always. So check in as soon as that 24-hour mark is. So if your flight is at 6:15 a.m. on a Wednesday, that means at 6:15 a.m. that Tuesday, you are on that airline's website, checking in for your flight and getting your seats. Otherwise, you're going to be subject to whatever's available, and you're likely not going to be sitting with your party. And you're probably going to get stuck in that dreaded middle seat. If you found today's tip helpful, smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe and ring those notifications so you don't miss a thing. I'd love to know what questions you have so I can come up with a tip for you to save you time, money, and headaches. And I'll see you next Tuesday for more travel tips.